Okay guys, ever wanted to show off a great press mention without the setup feeling complicated? This section makes it super quick. Today we're adding this press quote slider section to your store, perfect for sliding through your best reviews or media features. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Press Quote Slider. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now, let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type Featured Quote, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now, let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's check if this is actually the same section we saw in the demo, and now let's see how much this section lets us customize. Great. By default, it comes with 4 slides. Let's increase the text size a bit, and what else could we change here? Let's close this and select a slide. And now, let's replace this text with something new. You can write whatever you'd like here. I'll just add this for now. There's also an option to upload a logo here, but I don't have one in the right size ready, so I'll skip that for this demo. But if you have one, go ahead and add it. And that's basically how you edit every single slide. I don't think I need to go through customizing each one individually to show you the idea. Once you're done, just hit Save and check it out in view mode. Drop a comment below and let me know how this section looks to you. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help if you run into anything.